Hello, and welcome to the Tronic Software TeraScript installation video series. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to enter your license information into the TeraScript configuration utility. The TeraScript server will not run without a valid two-part server license. Visit your account on the TeraScript website, www.terascript.com/account, to retrieve licenses you already own, purchase new licenses, or request a free edition license. From the website, you can generate an email to your account email address containing the two parts of the TeraScript server license. You will need to have a license email to follow the steps in this video. There are two ways to enter your licensing information: entering the information into the configuration files manually, or using the TeraScript configuration utility, which opens automatically in your browser when installation of the TeraScript server completes. We'll demonstrate using the configuration utility first, and then demonstrate manually entering license information later in the video. Let's click on the license link in the navigation list on the left. There are two fields on the screen for license information. If you look at the email with your license information, you'll see the email lists both a license key and a license text. First, we'll copy and paste the license key into the license field in the configuration utility. Double check that you don't have any extra space at the beginning or the end of the license key. Next, we'll do the same for the license text. Copy the license text from your email and paste it into the license file field in the configuration utility. Remove any extra spaces at the beginning or end of the license text. Click the blue Save Changes button in the configuration utility. Once the license information has been saved, you'll need to restart the TeraScript server service to load the license. Our video on starting and stopping the TeraScript server contains detailed instructions for doing this in Windows. If you don't wish to use the configuration utility or are unable to do so, the license information can be entered manually. If you've already entered your license information using the configuration utility, you do not need to follow these steps. Manually entering your license requires you to edit two files found in the configuration folder in the server installation directory. Browse to the path you selected when installing the server and open the configuration folder. The default installation path is C, Program Files, Tronic Software, TeraScript Server 7, Configuration. The first step is to enter the license key from your license email into the server.ini file. Windows may require administrator-level privileges to make changes to these files, so it's best to open Notepad or your text editor of choice as an administrator prior to opening the configuration files. Once your text editor is open, go to File and Open, and browse to the configuration folder. Open the server.ini file. Scroll down, if necessary, to find the license equals line in the file. Copy the license key from your email go back to the server.ini file and paste the license key after the equals sign. Make sure there are no extra spaces, either at the beginning or the end of the license key. We can save the file. Next, we'll need to enter the license text in the license.ini file. Let's open the file. And then go back to your email and copy the license text. Paste the license text into the license.ini file. Again, make sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end of the license text. Save the file and close the text editor. You will need to restart the TeraScript server service to load the license. Our video on starting and stopping the TeraScript server contains detailed instructions for doing this in Windows. One last option. You can check the events.log file found in the configuration folder at any point to verify changes you've made. Open the events.log file. The entries are arranged chronologically, with the newest entries at the end of the file. As you can see from the highlighted text here, there's an entry that the server is licensed.